Hello dear friend, there is an update for OBS Studio. Let's download this update dear friend and let's see what's new in this update. Don't miss any part of the video. This video will be very important for you dear friend. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivations to make more creative tutorial for you. After downloading this update of OBS Studio, let's see the best setting for stream live. How to live stream inside OBS Studio. Without wasting time, let's download this update of OBS Studio here and live stream here. For this update, come here, you can see help. In help, just select here and check for update, and you can see this is the our update. Now let's read. Fixed missing audio mixture tooltips. Fixed audio mixture minimum width being too large. Fixed audio mixture sorting wait for global and pinned sources. Fixed disable sources appearing in audio mixture. Fixed missing toolbar action for audio mixture. Fixed incorrect colors in audio mixture. Fixed audio deduplication incorrectly applying when an audio output capture source is set to monitor only. So this is our new update, and in the last update you can see some new features were added here. You can read here: overhaul the audio mixture, adjusted the horizontal layout, adjusted the vertical layout. Now we have vertical layout, added button to swipe layout to the toolbars, change the default layout to vertical. So these are the changes dear friends here in the last update here. So let's see update now. If you use OBS Studio, don't forget to update, because after this update your OBS Studio will work smoothly. So let's update here and let's see how to use OBS Studio. Just click here update and your update will be available here. If you don't use OBS Studio, come here. According to your operating system you can choose. OBS Studio is cross platform, so you can choose Windows, Mac OS, Linux. According to your operating system, just select and download here. We can directly download from here. Just update now. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your devices? Just click yes. Now we are downloading OBS Studio. Very soon we will be inside OBS Studio here. Okay, we have downloaded, so launch OBS Studio. Now you can see we are in very new OBS Studio. So we have, you can see now audio mixture. Before two updates we had horizontal mixture. Now you can see we have vertical, means this side we have new style here. Now let's see how to use OBS Studio here. Now let's see the best setting for live stream and how to live stream to YouTube. First come here. If you have gone through my basic class about OBS Studio, you can understand how to add scene etc. If you don't know, go to the playlist and see. That video will help a lot for adding filters etc, for audio, all type of scene etc, because in OBS Studio you can do a lots of things. So there are lots of settings. Now come here for live stream setting. So you can see here we have scene. If you don't know how to create scene, just click here and name scene anything you name and just click here OK. Now we have here scene. Now we come here to connect audio input. To connect audio input here, just come here. You can see here audio input capture. This is actually our audio. We will use this audio. We will connect here, connect audio. Okay, and now you can choose from here. So I have Blue Yeti mic. I just click here. Okay, so I have connected here. So I have audio source one already connected here, so I can delete this. Just click here, just right click here. Now remove this, delete on your keyboard. Yes, no, I have deleted this. We have already connected one audio source here. You can see I have Yeti Studio mic. You will get all the mics connected to your computer here. I have this dedicated microphone. Just click here and select it. And now come here. You can see here display capture. You have several display here. I have two monitors. You see, I have 1080p monitor and 4K monitor. So I just click here 4K monitor. Now we have connected display. Now we come here to connect our webcam here. Now we have to connect a camera, means our webcam, a web source. Just click here. And now come here to add video capture device here. Just click here. Now you can rename here. I just put it on default. Okay. Now you can see we have already this webcam connected. So I can change our webcam from here. You can see we have several webcam sources here. I use iVcam webcam through my mobile. So I just click here. So you can see now we are connected. Now we can use a transform tool here. Just come here to edit. You can see here transform tool, edit transform. Now you can edit from here. You can edit position, everything you can edit. See, I am changing position here in this way. Size you can edit here. Crop, if you want to crop left top, you see here, this way you can crop here, and we can resize this. And anytime we come here to edit, and you will get all the edit transform here. In edit transform, copy transform, you can rotate, you can fit to screen. If you want to fit to screen here, fit to screen. Now we can come this and hold this corner here, make it smaller, and I want to put here, for example, here for streaming we will put here. We can even lock this. Just click here and we will not lose anything. So it's a lock now. Now we can add here any source, for example any logo etc you can add. I come here and image, you see here image, you can add image. I just put it on image. Now we come here image file, we have to browse here, come to our computer here, open here. Now we have OBS. For example, I want to use OBS. You see we have this OBS. Okay, we just click here. Now we can add, apply alpha in linear space, upload image when showing. We will not touch this. Okay, we just close here. Now you can see we have here logo of OBS Studio. It will be visible when we will start streaming. So you can put anywhere. So it's a put. I put this here, and now we just lock this image here. So you can see we have locked image, so we can't move, lose anything. So anytime come here and lock, just click here, you see lock. If you want to just hide this, just click here, you see here. No, it's a hidden, you see it's not visible. In time of live streaming you can hide this. So you can see these are the basic settings. We have added webcam here, and anytime we can resize it. You see now it's okay. And now come for our basic settings. Basic setting is audio here, audio capture, it's connected. And now we come to filter here. These filters we have in the advanced class. Go and see how to adjust all these filters. It's a very important for the best quality of stream live and even for the recording. No, it's okay. Just we close here, we come here for our important setting of live streaming. Setting, just click here, setting, just close anytime and come here to setting. Now we are inside setting here. Come here, these are the general setting we know. If you want to hide OBS, it will be hidden from screen, but I don't need this. These are the appearance, you know, these are the basic setting. We come here, first we come to our output setting. It's a very important output mode. I put this advanced here. You see, this is the simple mode, and I put this on advanced mode. Now we have recording. We don't touch recording setting here. We need only streaming, because we are using for streaming. So audio encoder use always FMPG audio record one. We will record on one track, and video encoder use this according to your video graphic card. I use this NVIDIA Nevenc H264. This is the best, and you can use the equivalent of AMD or Intel GPU. This is the actually, if you haven't GPU on your computer, but when you use this it will lag too much and your computer may freeze. So if you have a GPU, use this. Okay, AMD you can use according to your understanding. So come here, encoder setting, we use this only constant bitrate. This is okay for me. Bitrate, kbps, keyframe interval, OS, it's okay. No, preset is very important here. Come to preset, I use this slow good quality. If you have even stronger PC, you can use this PS slower better quality. But good is, it's good that your computer will not lag too much. Tuning will be always a high quality, and profile will be high. Main baseline, I will use this high. Okay, these are the setting. B frames will be 2, and we will not touch anything here. Okay, now come here to audio. Audio bitrate is important here. You see there are several settings. 160 is okay, recommended audio bitrate. Okay, according to your understanding, you can use this. 320 is okay, but you can try 160. There is also one setting 160, 224, 320. So I put this on 160. Okay, we try. So we have on track 3 in the same way. You can choose from here 160, here 160, because we don't use this track, so we don't need. Okay, and now replay buffer 20 s is okay, maximum memory 512 MB. These are the okay. Now we come here to audio. In audio, sample rate is 48 hertz studio channel. This is the desktop audio. You see desktop audio, you can choose from here. So I use this desktop audio, and now we come here to this mic. It's actually important through which I am speaking. So we come here, select. You see, we use this microphone Yeti Studio microphone. Hello dear friend, if this OBS Studio class is useful to you, adds value to your life, don't forget to subscribe the channel, dear friend. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivations to make more creative tutorial for you. Nowadays I'm working hard, dear friend. We have to achieve 1,000 subscribers this year, and I hope you will help me in achieving this target this year. And you can even share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. This tutorial may be very useful to them. You can go to our playlist and you can learn video editing software, graphic designing, etc. like DaVinci Resolve. You can learn Kdenlive, Affinity suits on my channel. You can learn. Just click here. Everything is okay. Meter, fast, advanced. It will be monitoring meters. I put this on default. Okay. Sample peak meter type, sample peak, decay rate. Fast is okay. Try medium. Slow is not good. Medium or fast. I put this on fast, and from here you can set up hotkey for your live streaming. You see audio input capture, mic or auxiliary. No, it's okay. No, come here to video. In resolution aspect ratio, if your computer is not strong, use 920 by 1080p. I have this is my 4K monitor, so I use, you see, this ultra HD output scale resolution. Use always 920 by 1080p. It's okay for us. We don't touch this, but it's recommended. If your computer will lag too much, your computer is not strong, you always click here and use this 920 by 1080p. This is also the good. And fps, this is the common fps. You see here integer fps, fractional fps. We don't need this. We need only common fps. From here you can choose 30 fps or 60 fps are recommended. I use this 60 fps. Hotkey, here you can set up hotkey. This is the basic setting of OBS Studio. And accessibility, this you can use source board. Color you can change of your OBS over. You see maximum volume, brand meter. These are actually the color you can choose from here. Select color, just click here. Here we have color preset, just click here. Now you can use different color here. Once you click here, now you can select color. For example, I can select color from here. You see here, these are the colors. So I don't need, I put this on default. In advance, we have to see carefully here. Process, it's a high renderer, direct 3D11. These color space rec 709, you can change color space from here, but this is the default. It's the best for us. Color range will be always full. We don't use limited here. And here we have to come down. Here it's a very important, automatically reconnect. Always it should be connected. So click here, always click this enable. Okay, this is okay. No, we don't touch anything. Actually we have general setting, stream, no output, audio, video we have set up here. Hotkey, accessibility, advanced. Now we come to here, you can see stream setting. Now we come here and service. So you can live on various platform through OBS. You see these are the platform. So all, just click here, you can see so many. These are actually, you see so many platforms are available here. We just click YouTube here. I need only on YouTube. And here you can see there are two methods to connect account recommended. You can directly connect here. So you can see there are two methods to connect connect account, this is recommended. If you are beginner, you can directly connect here. Just select here. Now here you can see we have this our ID for YouTube. You can see we have our account, so I just click here this. Okay, OBS already has some access, you can read all this. We don't read, just click connect. No authorization completed successfully. You can now close this and you can start from here. Apply. Okay, we have set up, and from here we can just click here and start live streaming here. You see here manage broadcast, here you can click start streaming. So once again, if you want to disconnect, just click here, come here, and now come here to stream. From here you can again disconnect account. For example, I just disconnect. Yes. And now I want to use other method. You see, use stream key advance. Now let's see, come here, use stream key advance. Just click here, get stream key. Here you see, here you have to click here, get stream key. Now we have come to our YouTube channel. Here it's opening, and now you can see here read all, but we need only just copy. Here you see, we copy this from here, copy this key. Now we have copied, and we come to OBS Studio, and here just we paste. Now we have pasted. Now you can connect here. Now this is the account. Okay, now we have connected through our key, stream key. Now we can close this. We don't need, actually we are on YouTube now. Now we can start live. So just click here, apply here. Okay, these are the basic setting, dear friend, and you can directly connect here. We have connected. Now we can add more. You can add text. You see text, I type here resolve for you. Our channel is resolved. Type here live stream. Downside I type here, please subscribe the channel. Please subscribe the channel. So you can see we have typed this, enable everything. Okay, you can change font here. You see, select understrike, bold. I want to use this bold here. Arial, we can change font from here. Arial, just click here and drag here. You see, these are actually the font. You can directly change here. You can add a strike through writing system. You can change here. From here you can strike out. It will be a strike out, underline. I don't need underline. Size you can add here. You see here, I just use this height size. Okay, sample is showing you here. You can see sample now. Now you can see we have size here. We have selected Arial bold, select font. Here there are lots of setting. You can change color. You see here, just maximize here. You can add outline. You see, like this outline color you can add here. So we come here and change, select a color. I want to use something like this red color. Now we have used, you can vertical, this will be vertical here, upper case, all will be upper case, capital letter, a start case, this will be a start case here. I use this upper case. So you can see there are lots of setting in OBS Studio. It's so amazing. So you can see outline. I want to decrease the size 1. Okay, outline size will be 1. Color, you can select the color of outline here. I want to use this color. Okay, something. Now you can see we have customized our text here, and just click here OK. And you can just remove here outline. Come here, if you want to remove outline, it will be removed. And anytime you can change the size. Background opacity you can add. You see, like this background opacity, I put this on default here, and you can use even gradient. You can add like this gradient color. You can select here gradient opacity. You can change directly from here. You see here in this way, and once it's okay, just click here. Now we have here actually our text. It's a very small, so we just click here. Now you can see here, and you can put anywhere this font here, this text here. So I have already written the text here. You can see resolve for you, please subscribe. And now I have put here. So anytime you can look, I have changed the color to white, this, and you see here anytime you can place anywhere. So you can see we have added text here and just lock here, so we can't lose. And here we have photo, here we have OBS logo. This is actually the basic things I have told you. And now we can actually use you see studio mode while live streaming on OBS. So you can see we have two modes here. You see, this is the preview modes. Any things I will add here, and I can preview. See here, this is the program. See, visible to everyone here. So in the advanced class, dear friend, we will learn more about OBS live streaming. There are lots of things to learn here. So once everything is okay, we have set up here. You can see here our chat will appear here. You see YouTube chat. If you want to click here, manage broadcast here. You just click here. No, you can write description. For example, I type here resolve for you. Here I type live streaming, obvious live streaming class, obvious live streaming class. Here you can change here private, unlisted. I put this on public. Is this video made for kid? I just click here. It's not made for kid. Okay. You, if you have thumbnail, you can select here. I want to use thumbnail here. Come to YouTube. I have thumbnail here, and I just type here obvious because I have obvious thumbnail. Just click here. Now actually we have profile here. Here we have description about our live streaming, create broadcast, and start live streaming. You can directly start live streaming. I just click here, create broadcast, creating a new live broadcast here. So we have this profile description here. You see here. Now we can start streaming here. So manage anytime, you can manage from here. We just click here start streaming. From here we can record it. We just click here start streaming. So hello dear friend, now we are on live on YouTube channel. Dear friend, please write subscribe and learn how to live stream on OBS Studio. OBS Studio is the best platform for live streaming, totally free, open source. I have tried a lots of live streaming software, paid, but this is the best software I have found. I recommend everyone to use only OBS Studio. So you can see I am live streaming. I will get all comments here, chatting etc. If you want to sign into chat here, just click here. From here you will get email, create account. I type email account here and okay, no next. Okay, everything you will use password etc. Next you click and your all chat will appear here. Okay, we just don't need. So dear friend, in this way try and learn. In the advanced class we will learn more about how to add lots of things. Here you can see we have still a lots of things to add, learn all these resources dear friend. So try this and write me in the comment box how's your experience about this YouTube live stream, all the setting etc. We meet in the next class. Take care, bye.